Hi, it's been a long time since I last filmed a video, but I wanted to unbox or unbag all the fukubukuro I bought. So I'm staying in Japan, in Tokyo right now, for a semester since I'm studying abroad, and today is the New Year, so Happy New Year. And let's get on to it. Okay, so here's the first one. I bought it at some store, and it's like 777 yen plus tax, so it was like 839 yen or whatever. So that's like about like 7 US dollars. So let's see what's in it. Oh, so I got this little headband. It says hello. It's pretty cute. Yeah, I could see like a really cute like K-pop look using this. Let's see. There's sunglasses that I totally don't need because I wear glasses. There's this puff keychain, which I guess is fine. Maybe I might give this as a gift. It's not really my type of thing. Ooh, look, I got some American socks with like french fries and burgers. Yeah, I might keep this for myself or give it as a gift. And let's see. Ooh, I got a beanie. We've got tonight party. These funny like English is like so hilarious. I die. But this is a really cute like lavender color though. I might keep that. It's winter time right now, so it's pretty cold. Oh, I got like a little cat wallet. Hold on a sec. Yeah, I think it's like a really tiny wallet. Not bad, I guess. I mean, this fukubukuro is only 777 yen, so that's really cheap for like this stuff. And we still have more, so let's... Oh, this hat! That's so cute. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's like an adult, like a woman plus a man gives you a baby. That's really funny. Yeah, that's really cute. Okay, I really like this. This is good. We have a little hairband that's like a lemon. I guess it's okay. What else? Oh, there's like these earrings. They're like stars or something like that. Oh, we have an anklet. That's not too bad, I guess. It's not really my type, but it's got a little starfish on it. Let's see. Oh, I have like a lollipop? Is this a real lollipop I can eat, or is it, what is this, like a pen? Hold on a sec. Let me just open it. Can I open it? Oh, there's nothing in it. What is this? Oh, it's a pen. Oh, okay, so this is the end of the pen, and it's supposed to look like a lollipop. And then here's the pen part. Wow, that's really cute. This would make a really good gift for somebody. Okay, I'll put it back in the wrap. Okay, and let's see. We have some cherries. What is this? Is this just like a little ornament thing? I'm not really sure what this is. It might just be like a little thing you can just look at, I suppose. These little cherries. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. Okay, we have a little clip that has a smiley face on it. And oh, the last two pieces are these pins. Okay, so this star pin here has like a stain on it, which I'm not really happy about. And then there's like this one with like lips. That's actually pretty cool. So, and that's it. That was pretty worth for 777 yen. Alright. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay. So I got this fukubukuro from Call Me Baby. All of these are from like the Harajuku area, like Shibuya and stuff like that. So this one cost me 3,000 yen, not including tax. So yeah, so we have like this strap, and like this bag is super cute, so that's a plus. All right. Okay, first item, we have a shirt, and let's open it up. Let me see. Oh wow, it's a long sleeve. That's really nice. And it says nonsense. And here's what the back looks like. That's pretty nice. I really like this. They look really good paired with some jeans or something like that. And I think it's a size large, so it's like maybe like oversized. So that's pretty nice. Let's see. Next item is, oh, we have a bag. Let's open it up. Okay. So this bag, this is a really nice plain beige bag. I guess this is part of the part you would put on the shoulders or something. So it's like a little bow. I guess it would make it like more comfortable to put on your shoulder. And let's look inside. We have like a few pockets. Pretty nice bag. Yeah, it would match a lot of things because it's like a nice beige color. Okay. Next we have, ooh, we have a little beret. That's super cute. It's like a sea foamy kind of blue. That's really cute. Wow, I'm liking this bag pretty much so far. And last but not least, we have a wallet. Let's open it up. Oh, it's like heart studded. Let's see. You have like a few pockets. I don't really like the wallet. It's not really my type of wallet, and I don't really use these kind of long wallets because I like my wallets more small and compact so I can put them in my pockets. But this would make a good gift. Alright, and that's it. Wow, this is pretty worth for 3,000 yen. So I really like this store, Call Me Baby. I recommend you to check it out. They have like pretty nice fashion. It's very similar to like WeGo or like Forever 21 kind of like on trend stuff that's like for cheaper. I picked up a few things for myself that aren't like fukubukuro, but I went to ACDC Rag, which is like a really cool store with a lot of like colorful prints and stuff like that. And I got myself this Powerpuff Girl shirt. It's super cute. It's a collared button down with like unicorns and like the Powerpuff Girls, so that's really cute. It wasn't on sale, but it wasn't too expensive either. I think it was about 5,000 yen, so it's like about like $50 US. So it's kind of pricey, but it's a really nice top, so I wanted to get it. Alright, and the last thing is I got this Sirotan fukubukuro, and it's like this really cute mascot they have in Japan. So let's open up. I think it was also 3,000 yen. So I'm hoping that the items inside are really nice and decent. So we have like a little pamphlet thing, little card. Oh, everything is wrapped together. Oh my god, it's so cute! Ah! I'm dying! Let's see. Oh, we have like a little, an album? I'm not really sure. I think it's one of those like kind of like, what do they call them again? The ones that you put like you stick your photos on. Oh, a scrapbook. Kind of reminds me of a scrapbook. So it's probably like that. It's super cute. So that's really good. Oh, and we get like a really cute file folder. That's great. I love to collect folders. Or not like collect them. I buy a lot of folders and then I use them for like my classes and stuff like that. So that's really cute. And then we have, what do we have? What is this? Oh my god, I think it's a plush. Hold on a second. Or actually, I think it might be one of those like seat cushion things. Not really sure. Let me open it. Oh my god, it's so soft! Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at its little face. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god, I really like it. It's like a little cushion. And I think they like probably vacuum sealed it so it would be like a lot thinner. So that's really good. You can use it as a pillow too. And let's see. We have, it's a little plush thing. Let's see, it's got a little ducky on it. Isn't that so cute? And let's see. I think this is a coin pouch. Not really sure. I'll take it out first. Oh my god, it's so cute. See the back side? Oh my god. And then, so it's like made of like silicone or silicone. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. And I think it's a coin pouch. It's really cute though. I really like that. And then we have, oh, we have like a really cute keychain. Looks like that. And last but not least, we have another little like plush like bag chain, I believe. This is super cute. I really like yellow, so that's really cute. And then it has like this tiny little ball. Okay, I'd say this like fukubukuro was really worth it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is my first time spending New Year's or like spending a semester abroad in Japan and like shopping, and like these fukubukuros are so like cute, and like most of the stores I went to had these kind of promotions, like oh yeah, sorry if I didn't explain, but fukubukuros are like lucky or like happy bags that you don't know what's inside. So it's kind of like a blind box kind of thing, and if you look in stores nowadays, like a lot of them do preview like a few items in the bag or give you like examples of what's in it, so you might not be like completely disappointed, but definitely you should check out the whole entire store to see if there are things you like in the store. And if you don't really like the style of the store, I wouldn't recommend buying their fukubukuro, but usually all the items in the fukubukuro are worth more than what the bag is priced at. So like this bag cost me 3,000 yen, but all the items in it together, like their retail price added together, is a lot more than 3,000 yen. So then you get like more bang for your buck basically. So I'd say this was a pretty successful haul, and thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy your New Year's, and that's it. Bye.